All right, you guys, I'm so excited. So lately I've been really into hammering metal for my jewelry. And so I had gotten these really cool copper washers that I did a video with. And so I saw they had also silver in different sizes and bronze in different sizes. So I ordered them, and now I'm gonna open it, and I'm super excited to see what I'm gonna get and what sizes they are. So, all right. Beautiful. Okay, so this is the first one. I'm gonna open it up here. Maybe we're gonna open it up. Oh, here we go. Super excited. Okay, let's see what we got here. These are super cute. Look at that. Those are super cute for jewelry. And then we've got... And these are gonna be so fun for layering, like, cause they have such different sizes. Like, I love it. In a little bit, I'm gonna hammer one of these bad boys and see how it turns out, but so bronze, which I'm a huge fan of. So, yay, let's open the other one. All right. Doesn't want to come out. All right, let's see what's in here. I'm excited. Okay, this one. There we go. Oh my gosh, y'all, look at this. Holy. Those are amazing. Look at those. That is gonna be so pretty hammered. And then I love it because it goes down in size, so, and these are all like, oh, these are perfect. Look at that. I cannot wait to get started on these. I think these are gonna be beautiful. So excited. I feel like a kid at Christmas. Uh-oh, that's not good. I don't like when they put these little removable things in between. I feel like they always end up opening up and then I have a mess. There we go. We have to switch out the container these are in, so I don't have that happen. I love it. All right, so pop this out here. Let's make some fun stuff with these.